Welcome to my channel, myself Sayyam Bardia. In this video we are going to talk about the nucleus structure. So let's start with the nucleus structure and then answer some questions on the NCERT InText. So in previous video we learnt about the cell membrane. Now in this video we are going to talk about a nucleus structure. So let's start with the structure. Before that I have posted the notes for each and every class I have been doing for this session. So there you can find notes in the description box, and I'll be posting notes of this chapter in the description box as well. So let's start with the topic nucleus. What is nucleus? Nucleus is the brain of the cell. Okay. Where is the location of nucleus, you say? Location of nucleus is different in case of plant cell and different in case of animal cell. So for plant cell, nucleus is present at a corner. At a corner, the nucleus is present. Like if this is a plant cell, the nucleus would be present here and there would be a large centralized vacuole. Okay. Now second, in animal cell, nucleus is centralized. One minute, I wait. Centralized nucleus is present in case of animal cell. Okay. Structure of nucleus. Okay. So if this is the nucleus, I am going to draw a 2D diagram, okay, and I write the function of each structure beside them. Nucleus has a membrane called as nuclear membrane. Okay, this nuclear membrane is present only in case of eukaryotic organisms. Okay, so nuclear membrane is present outside the things in the nucleus. There is a semi-fluid structure similar to the structure of cytoplasm called as nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm is also a semi-fluid like structure. Okay. Inside the nucleus, there is a centralized portion called as the nucleolus, which could be interpreted as nucleus's brain. Okay, nucleus's brain is nucleolus. Now there are some wired structure coiled, highly coiled. So I will draw it like this. Highly coiled structure called as chromosomes. So these are chromosomes. Chromosome contain DNA. Now what is DNA? DNA is the hereditary unit. The full form of DNA is, I'll write, deoxyribonucleic acid. So the full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. The main function of this is to store, it stores genetic information. Now what is genetic information? The color of our hair, the color of the iris, the height, the weight, the body fat, everything is recorded in the secure database called as DNA. So this is the structure of nucleus. Now on page number 61 there are some InText question. Now we are going to solve it. So, InText question on page 61 we are going to solve now. The first InText question says, how do substances like CO2 and water move in and out of the cell? So CO2 and water move in and out of the cell through the process of diffusion. Okay, so you would write whole as CO2 moves through the cell by the process of diffusion and water moves through the cell via the process of osmosis. Okay. Second, why is plasma membrane called as a selectively permeable membrane? We learned that plasma membrane is called as a selectively permeable membrane because it allows on entry of certain substances. Okay, only certain substances are allowed inside the cell. Now from the next video we are going to start with the endoplasmic reticulum. So this was for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any doubts regarding the video or the previous videos, kindly comment down. Thank you.